Hello everyone, this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, and today we are going to talk about how you can keep learning new skills while working as a data analyst, even when you are super busy. And trust me, when I say super busy, I work in a startup, early stage startup, and I already know how tough it is. So, I'll let you know how challenging it is. I'm sure guys already must be knowing, and if you're a student, just know about how to balance the work life once you get into it and how it can be to keep learning new skills technologies while juggling it with the work. So because staying update is very crucial, because this field is ever evolving, you will always encounter new stuff and you'll have to learn it quite quickly. So I'm sharing my top strategies that I've developed for continuous learning even when you have a super busy schedule. So first tip is to embrace micro learning. So what is that? So first up, you'll have to learn in small focus sessions. Like you can keep some kind of pattern technique. I'll put the name, I don't remember the name exactly, but I do it all the time, so you can do that. It's perfect for busy schedules as well as your work time. So you can allocate some kind of time like 30 minutes for learning, and then in between whenever you are taking break, just take 30 minutes for learning, and then you can take a 5 or 10 minutes break, so that you can working also, and then you can also do on your things. So such as platform there that are DataCamp, that offers quick learning lessons that you can complete during your commute also, or your lunch break also, while you're going to the office. So it just take 15 minutes, to be honest, and it will make a huge difference. So let me know in comment section if you guys have ever tried micro learning, or I'll tell the I'll put the text for the technique that I use, and let me know if you guys have tried it out. And second tip is to leverage podcasts and webinars that are really crucial. I didn't used to pay attention to podcasts, but now I literally listen to them while commuting to work, as well as when I'm taking a lunch break. So listen to podcast and webinars whenever you are having a free time, and on weekends you can just attend webinars because they host a lot of them on weekends, so you can go there. Because some of my favorites from that are Data Skeptic and Analytics Power Hour is there. So these podcasts I really always listen to, so you can just reference to it, or you can find your personal things. And because they covered a lot of trends that is happening, the tools that are trending right now, and also case studies that are really important. So how some companies build a product, how they are doing it, so those use cases also I learn. So they are super insightful for me, and they don't take that much time. One episode will be around 15 minutes, 20 minutes, so you can easily listen to them in one go, or as sessions like 5 minutes break you can listen to. And even you can while you are doing your thing, or some cleaning and also you're doing, you can listen to them, or while you're driving also you can listen to them. And tip 3 is to learn with real world data sets. So this is a no brainer. While you're working full time as a data analyst, already you're working on real world data sets. But for learning also, you can go to Kaggle, other platforms are there. You can take the data set that will provide you real world data set, and you can simulate the actual work scenario since you already are familiar with it. Learning should also not be on a sample data set. So I'll recommend starting with a beginner level data set for learning part, because like customer sales are there, or product trends or something like that, and then you can tackle up the competition and level up your skill. And tip 4 is to schedule dedicated learning hours. So this is, I'm not sure if you can do it right away, but it will take some time, but try to do it, because this one is super effective. It actually helped me. So block of around 15 to 30 minutes in your whole calendar daily or weekly for focused learning. Like on weekends you can make it like 1 hour. So like that you can do, because consistency is the key. Like without consistency you can't do anything. So treat this thing like a important meeting that you can't miss. So treat it like that, then you'll get more motivated to be in it. And then tip 5 is to join professional communities. So engage with LinkedIn group. I also have one of mine, I'll just put it in comments. You can join that one also. It has around 800 members, so we always share stuff like that. Or you can also go to local meetups. I've met a lot of people through content creation and LinkedIn who actually helped me a lot. Like networking is the key, I'm telling you guys. And these communities, once you'll go into, they'll treat the insights like some trophies and all. They will and networking opportunities you can know, like if you're trying to switch jobs also, it will really help you that way. So you will not only learn, but you'll also get inspired for the experience of other people. Some entrepreneurs will also be there, so you can take inspiration from them, or you can even join them. And tip 6 is to do online courses and certifications. Specifically, if you are in India, it will come in real. You'll have to do courses, and certifications are a must because they look into that thing only. So when you're doing a structured learning, there are platforms that I'll recommend is Coursera and edX. Don't go to Udemy upfront because let's not discuss on it. Just go to Coursera and edX. That's my personal recommendation because they offer courses such as data analytics, tailor made, and they're from IBM, Microsoft, so reputed companies also. So they are perfect if you are trying to deep into a specific field, not a specific field but a specific field also, as well as specific skills such as Python, SQL, or MongoDB, or machine learning also. And last tip is tip number 7, that is to seek mentorship. So because a lot of us, we always had a teacher, like we went to coaching after schools and all. So a mentor can actually help us, offer a personalized advice and something tailor made to you, and can help you navigate your career more effectively. So I also have a mentorship course, so if you're interested in that, I'll offering a mentorship course on my top mate page. I'll put it in description as well as comments, so you can go there, so we can work on our goals together. Like I can mentor you, you will do the work, and I'll keep on guiding you. That's what a mentor do. So you can book a mentorship program on my top mate page, and also you can have a discovery call also before the mentorship program, so that you can understand me better and I can understand you better, and we can work on things that we want to grow together. And if you also, I'll tell you guys to have some resources ready with you, that will make the learning curve more smoother. So I put together a data analytics resources pack that is live for 1000 rupees, and it includes more than 2k items that will have cheat sheet exercises and tools that will streamline your journey, and you'll have projects also with code included, so you don't need to put too much work in it. You just need to learn. And I'm all covering all these things and strategies in my upcoming course that is again live on my top mate, so you can stay updated there. So just check out my link tree for my socials account, and then topmate for booking mentorship, buying the resource pack, and discovery call connect with me. So these were the top skills that I wanted to discuss, as I've learned as a data analyst working full time in it. So even when the life is busy, trust me, super busy, specifically if you're working in a startup. So let me in comments below how you manage your time and stay updated, and what actually works for you. So, and if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with whoever will find it useful, and stay connected, and see you guys in the next one.